Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Box Cloud storage access problems, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To fix Box Cloud storage access problems, start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable network. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve loading issues. If you're using the Box app, ensure it's updated to the latest version. Check for updates in your device's app store. If you're still having issues, try logging out of your Box account and then logging back in. This can refresh your session and solve minor glitches. If you suspect a password issue, reset your password through the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Ensure that you are using the correct email address associated with your Box account. Mistakes in this can prevent access. Next, check Box's status page for any reported service outages. Sometimes, access issues are due to server problems on Box's end. If the service is up, try disabling any active VPNs or proxy servers. These can interfere with your connection to Box. You might also want to configure your firewall settings. Make sure that Box is not being blocked from accessing the internet. If you are using a corporate network, consult your IT department. They can provide information about any restrictions that may be in place. Alternatively, try accessing Box from a different browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current setup. Lastly, if none of these steps work, contact Box support for assistance. Provide detailed information about your access issues for quicker resolution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.